Yo guys, what is up? Trent here from How to Haven, back again with another tutorial. Yay! Alright, so first off, today we're going to be stopping Windows 10 from automatically updating your drivers for you. This can be annoying. It used to not make you do this in other versions of Windows, but in Windows 10 you kind of have to. But there is a way to turn this off. So you want to hit your Start menu and go to the Control panel. Just like that. You can also hit Windows key R and type in Control and hit Enter if you want. And you go to System and Security. Then you go to System. And once you get to this screen, you want to hit Advanced System Settings. And it'll open up this window with a bunch of tabs. So next you want to hit Hardware. And then you get this Device Manager and Device Installation Settings. And you want to click on Device Installation Settings. And this is where it'll say, do you want to automatically download manufacturers, apps, etc., etc. I have mine on yes because I don't really care, but there are a lot of reasons you might not want this. Maybe more control, or you don't like an update. There's a lot of different reasons, and all you have to do is hit no. Save changes, and hit OK. And you will have to reboot your computer for this to take effect, and until you do that, it will not change anything. It will keep updating whether you like it or not. Anyways, guys, after you reboot, that will be the problem solved. If I helped you today, please leave a like or a comment, or maybe even subscribe if you're feeling crazy. If you're feeling really, really crazy and I really helped you today, check out my Patreon. The link is in the description. Maybe throw me a couple bucks. Anything helps, really helps. But as always, have a great day, and I hope I helped.